Good morning everyone! My name is Elizel Codiniera and I am your teacher for today. So before we will start our discussion, may I request everyone to please stand for our morning prayers? Miss President, please lead the prayer. Amen. So, once again, good morning everyone. Good morning. Please take your seat. So our topic for today is all about metacognition. What is metacognition? Metacognition is often described as thinking about thinking. It's the awareness and understanding of your own thought processes. Example, imagine you're reading a textbook. Metacognition is what happens when you pause and ask yourself, do I understand this? Or what can I do to remember this better? It's the ability to monitor and direct your learning, essentially being the manager of your own mind. There are components of metacognition. It consists of two main components. First is the metacognitive knowledge. This is about what you know about your thinking processes. It includes declarative knowledge, knowing what strategies work. Next, procedural knowledge, knowing how to use those strategies. Conditional knowledge, knowing when and why to use strategy. Second is the metacognitive regulation. This is about controlling your cognitive activities and learning. Next is the metacognitive regulation and control. This is where metacognition becomes action-oriented. It includes three key processes. First, planning. Before starting a task, the learner decides what strategies to use, what prior knowledge is needed, how much time to allocate. Example, I'll skim this chapter first, then read closely. Second, monitoring. While working the task, the learner asks, am I understanding this? Is this strategy working? Example, I'm confused by this graph. Maybe I should reread the explanation. Third one is evaluating. After the task, the learner reflects. Did I meet my goals? What worked well or didn't? Example, highlighting didn't help much. Next time, I'll take notes and metacognitive teaching strategies. Here's how educators can foster metacognition in students. First, think aloud. Model your thinking while solving a problem or reading a text aloud. Example, dili man ko sure unsay pasabot ani. Let me look for the context clues. Second, self-questioning. Teach student to ask questions before, during, and after learning. Example questions before learning. Unsa may nahibal-an na nako ani? During, am I staying focused? After, what strategy worked well? And learning journals or reflection logs. It encourages students to reflect on their learning processes after assignment. Next, graphic organizers and checklists. Tools like KW charts, know, want to know, and learn, and checklists can support planning and evaluation. Lastly, peer teaching. Having students explain concepts to peers forces them to organize and reflect on their own understanding. That would be all, and thank you!